Mamelodi Sundowns are hosting St. Eloi Lupopo of the Democratic Republic of Congo in the CAF Champions League match day 1 in the group stages. It's a very spicy match because you guys would know the drama and the controversy that has followed St. Eloi Lupopo and the fact that CAF, for some reason, decided to turn a blind eye on St. Eloi Lupopo's antics and even found the St. Eloi Lupopo's coach guilty. But they've decided not to disqualify St. Eloi Lupopo from the CAF Champions League. This after they had eliminated Orlando Pirates. That's St. Eloi Lupopo. So it's a highly anticipated match because Lupopo are already in South Africa, meaning they'll be playing in South Africa just a few weeks